Welcome back. In this video, we're going to check out 3 dividend stocks that I'm really considering for 2023. These are not in my current portfolio, but I'm thinking about ways to add them personally. Before we begin, usually I look at dividends that are above 2% dividend yield, and dividend aristocrats takes second priority, and then after that, those things that I use on a day-to-day basis. For example, Coca-Cola, which is not one of the 3 stocks we're going to discuss today, but it's something that I drink every now and then. And it is a dividend aristocrat and has a good dividend yield of 2.91%. And again, as always, this is not financial advice, this is just for myself. And I'm using Zoya Invest to verify the halal nature of these stocks. Again, not sponsored, but maybe one day, inshallah. The first stock that I'm considering to add is Home Depot, ticker symbol HD. I'm from a property management background from the real estate industry, and I know that a lot of our contractors used to go to places like Home Depot and Lowe's on smaller projects and even some for bigger projects. It's a great place for home improvement, do-it-yourself projects, as well as even larger construction projects that I know other people have done. It has lumber, vanities, tools, faucets, whatever you need for whatever project you're trying to do. There's not many options outside of Home Depot or Lowe's, and I chose Home Depot in this case because of the dividend yield and the price of the stock. I don't really think that there are many other options for people to go to on a day-to-day average. Maybe your local hardware store, maybe something from Walmart, but you can't buy and sell the stock of a local hardware store, and Walmart is on a different class of its own. Home Depot has a very good dividend yield of 2.54%, and that's what I'm looking for. And I think they're going to do good overall. Again, this is not financial advice, but this is something I'm considering for my own portfolio. The second stock that I want to talk about is AbbVie. I think it's great overall with over 3% yield, 3.69% to be exact. I've seen other YouTubers in the dividend space talk about this. AbbVie is in the pharmaceutical industry. They have patents on medication that are changing lives, so they have a reliable income coming in. Overall, very good, reliable. I'm considering this stock for the strong stock price and dividend yield, and I think it's definitely a good stock to consider. Before we mention the third stock, I want to mention a bonus runner-up stock that I was also considering. This one has a little bit of a lower dividend yield with 2.29%. Nate O'Brien really liked this stock in his dividend stock video. The company is Air Products. It's in a very interesting niche industry, and niche industries are really good if they work for larger industries, and that's exactly what it is. They create industrial gases that are used in a variety of products for chemicals, metals, and electronics, and that allows them to have a good market share in the industry that they are in. So that's the runner-up stock, Air Products. The final stock, our last stock that we're going to mention, number 3, technically number 4 now, is Barrick Gold, ticker symbol GOLD. As the economy went in different directions last year, and this year especially, gold is something that is very important because that's technically what all of our money is based off of. So Barrick Gold is not actually a gold stock, but it's a gold mining stock. And that's the next best thing to having gold, is finding something that can help you find gold. If I do add it, it probably won't be for the long term because, as I was taught in my finance class, gold works as a negative beta, usually going the opposite direction of the stock market. Some people disagree with this statement, but it's a good company to kind of look into for the next couple years while we're getting out of the recession. So those are my 3/4 stocks that I'm considering adding to my own portfolio. I'll give an update on the M1 Finance portfolio as a whole at the end of the month, probably kind of like a quarterly update, because my account is not as large compared to other people on YouTube. It's only $3,000, but it's definitely growing, and I definitely did receive a good amount of dividends last year. Just as a reminder, I have links for referrals in the description below. And again, as always, it's not financial advice, but something that I'm considering adding to my own portfolio and for you guys to get a little bit insight of what I'm doing. And let's see where it goes from there. Bye.